Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I do my little necklaces. I do several cute little designs of kawaii food, and today I'm going to show you how to do my red panda and my beach design. It's pretty simple. All you got to do is have little pendant bases. I got the silver ones, I got them on Amazon, I'll link it down below, and the matching glass tops. Or you can just leave them blank, but I prefer glass to protect the drawing. Need something to draw with, obviously. I'm using today with my green palette mechanical pencil and an HB pencil. I don't actually remember the brand, so any HB pencil is fine, lighter than a regular pencil. Something to outline with this one I'm only going to outline the panda. Something to color, I use Copics for the beach one, and I use watercolor for the panda. This is a pretty affordable beaten up watercolor thing I got from Hobby Lobby. There's some super glue, this is the brand I use, and something to draw on. I'm using recycled old cardstock, and something to cut. You can use scissors, but I'm using a punch. Punch is a lot easier because it just gets the automatic size to it. And obviously for the watercolor, a tiny little water paintbrush. I got this from Michael's for like $1. So I'm going to start off with showing my red panda. I drew him big because I wanted the basic design of a red panda, and then I put him on to the cardstock like that. After he's cut out, I start to ink him. I want to say the 0.1 is what I used to ink him with. Word of advice, if you're using watercolor like I am, make sure your pens are waterproof, otherwise it's going to bleed and smear all over the design. And there's your cute little red panda. Now to do my beach design, it's actually a lot simpler. I use my Copic markers, and I literally just go to town with, I guess, a gradient starting with yellow to green to blue to the lightest blue, and it looks like a beach. And then seriously, after that, when I cut it out, I add the little water designs, like, you know, when the tide kind of bubbles up when it hits the sand and then little water sparkles of the sun. That's literally all there is to it. And yeah, I know it seems like a waste of my Copic markers, but they're mine, so sheesh. Now, assembling the pendants is pretty straightforward. I glue the paper to the bottom of the pendant, and then I put a pretty good sizable amount of glue on the glass and push down. The thing about this glue is it's kind of jelly based. It means it takes longer for it to dry, but there's a lot of air bubbles, so you gotta be careful. Unless you don't mind air bubbles, then by all means leave air bubbles. But the thing about it is it does take longer to dry, so you need to weight down part of the pendant like I'd use with the card stack there. And there you go. Simple pendants. And the next thing for you to do is to assemble them on a necklace. I usually use pre-made chains and twine from Hobby Lobby and Michael's, but I didn't have any this time, so I made some just for the video. And there you guys have it, my cute little pendant necklaces. If you'd like to get one of your own, I have them in my Etsy shop, linked down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.